Nick Walker is an IFBB professional bodybuilder from New Jersey, USA. He has won many titles for himself and his country. Let's have a quick review of the early life of Nick and how he became so successful in such a short time. So stay with us till the end to get complete information and details about it. Talking about his childhood, he was molested as a kid and grew up as a loner because he had a traumatizing experience at a very early age, after which it was very hard for him to trust anyone. Due to this experience, he led to a path of drugs and alcohol. He became an addict. He didn't know what he was doing and why. At one point, he realized that things had to change, and thankfully, he left that deadly path and started weightlifting. In his interviews, Nick often says that his childhood experience haunts him even now, but bodybuilding helps him forget about it. He is focused on becoming Mr. Olympia and is working hard. Nick earned his pro card in 2020 after winning the NPC North American Championship. On September 25, 2021, Nick shocked the world by winning the Arnold Classic Ohio. In fact, Arnold Classic is known as the second biggest fitness and bodybuilding competition in the world after Olympia. Being only 29 and winning such a show is no joke. Nick weighs almost 250 lbs and is almost 5 feet and 7 inches tall. Like other bodybuilders, Nick is also very much conscious about his diet. He only takes the diet prescribed by the nutritionist. His diet is a proper blend of fats, protein and carbs. Nick enjoys cheat meals at the end of the weekend and sometimes in the week too, when he trains too much. In one of his interviews, Nick said that I have specific goal in training and whenever I achieve them, I give my body some treats. Nick is an inspiration for all of us, especially the young generation. There was a time in his life when he couldn't even imagine being at the place where he is right now. But he didn't get that over his head. He worked hard with devotion and courage and overcame his addiction. He had an aim in his life and he was going to be the best. And he worked hard to achieve it. He showed the world when you are determined, nothing can stop you from achieving your aim. So that's all from us. If you want to learn more about Nick, do follow him on his Instagram. He often arranges interactive sessions with his followers on his Instagram where he answers their questions and tells them about his experiences and the ways with which one can train with limited equipment. Nick faced a lot of hardships in his life, but he did not want others to face the same. If you like this video, please share it with your family and friends. Have a nice day. Goodbye.